Everyone, this is Timo Vlogs. If you're after being streaming in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to our channel. At the ko na reaction video, ang Kimpo compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, ano naman ito? Ay, si Kim ba to? Hala, ikaw ba naman ang hinilingan ni Kim Cho ng ganito? Kuha ni Kim Cho kay Paolo for today's video. Ay, kuha ni Kim Cho ang hinilingan ni Paolo. Saan dalahin? Hala.
Sometimes you just need to pause and enjoy life. No pressure, no rush. Just breathe, smile, and be thankful. You're doing your best, and that's enough.
Si ano, no? Si ano? Si Inigo, no? Actually.
Moment's a melody. Let the sunlight kiss your face. Find the truth in your own eyes. Sometimes you need to just let go.
Yes, relax na ang feeling.
No enemy to show. Breathe it in and let it ride. Catch the waves of life's sweet tide.
Magkasama sila during that time. Di ba, Mem? Mem, aminin niyo, magkasama sila during that time. Yan na. Ganyan pala sila. Oh, saan dalahin? Charin. Basher could never. Basher could never for today's video. Saan dalahin? Saan dalahin ang atake? Yan. Alam mo, sa pag-nasipid ako konti, pero baka mag-upload ko yung mind. Ang babaeng wala pang na. Teacher. Saan lalaki? No?
Ay, grabe!
Grabe naman!
Ay,
Oh!
ay, oh. Ang ahas sa Pilipinas. Ay, ira ng tumba ka kiss. For today's
Taught you a great life lesson.
Sino naman to? Pares pa kami nasa pajama ngayon. Ay, ito. Ah! Ito talaga. Nang nilasap-lasap ni Paolo ang mga labi ni Kimi for today's video. Wala na! Saan dalahin? Charik!
Kimberly Liwanag,
Ay, Kimberly Liwanag. Punta kayo. Charik!
will you be my wife?
Ay, pa Kimberly Liwanag ka pa talaga. Kimberly.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
I-camber na yan. Sige na. I-camber na talaga yan. Go. Go na. Oo. Go. Okay lang na i-camber yan. Sa lahat yan. Okay.
naman na.
Kim Chu arrive. Ay! The What's Wrong with Secretary Kim talaga yung atake. I love it. Gusto ko talaga yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim na atake. Sige na. Sige na, Kim. Sa'yo naman lahat yan eh. Sige na. Parang tuloy ang sarap amuyin ni Paulo talaga. Si Paulo lang sapat na for today's video. So, okay. KJ, ba't ang saya-saya mo? Wala, saya na ako. Masaya lang talaga, Ate Ambang. Promise. Promise. Ito pala yung mga iconic line nila eh. Mga iconic line.
My days are dark without a glimpse
Kim
of
sabi,
you. But now that you came into my life,
I've
Ay!
always been saying this
Ano to?
during all of my interviews. I just want something different, something new. Doesn't have to be necessarily out of this world new, but just something to play around for my character, something to challenge me, and something to show and things I haven't done yet.
Ako naman, basta may project, go lang ng go. Basta maganda. Or yung project na yun is giving us something na, yun nga, yung growth. Kasi nandun naman talaga yung passion namin for acting, to entertain people. And grateful kami kasi hanggang ngayon nandito pa rin talaga
Gaano
kami
ka
sa industriya
grateful?
doing the things we love, which is acting. And then hopefully the movie will become a great, great success. And sana supportahan kami ng maraming tao this coming March 26. At hindi sila mag-disappear because our love will
Will.
stay.
Ay, taray.
Actually,
Totoo
naman
ba?
pandemic, hindi
Ay, oh. Hawak mo ang gabi. Ay, si Rob. Ay, bakit pa yung lalaki? Ay, ano to? Kwapo ni Donnie. Inamin na talaga ng Don Bell. Buti pa ang Don Bell. Diyos ko. Buti pa ang Don Bell talaga. Promise. Saan dalahin? Inamin na talaga ng Don Bell. Ano gusto lang naman sa'yo. Okay. Ay. Alright. Anyways, this is all for today's video. This is People Plus. See you on the next vlog. Bye!